Okay, today's the day I'm going to try to get it dialed in before I get it out on the water. I definitely recommend following the manufacturer's instructions and going through and tightening everything before you get out on the water the first time. I mean everything. So you don't want to lose pieces to your kayak. You need these things. A lot of people in the comments complain that it's cheap quality and they lost this and they lost that. But really, you have to consider that the manufacturers do suggest you tighten this stuff up. And I've already tightened these up. One of them was loose. So I'm just going to go around the whole body of the boat and tighten up every nut and bolt that I see. Because you can tell they need it. Pretty easy, just like that. There you go. Put a hook on the wall to hang my fin drive. It's pretty easy. Have my gear right there, ready to pack up, throw it in the car. I love it.